Dr. Howard McAllister is a Minnesota-based surgeon who's been teaching in a Haitian hospital for nearly 20 years with the group Project Haiti. He spoke to Discovery News about the situation that doctors and other rescue workers are now facing in the wake of the deadly earthquake on January 12, 2010.
Well, it's triage, and of course, this is all a major part of trauma surgery is helping the people you can help, and God, there are some unbelievably tough decisions that those doctors down there must be making with the unbelievably limited resources that they have. I mean, let alone the fact that there are very few doctors down there. In addition, there are very few people to help them. There's not any medication. There's IV needles. See, the entire medical infrastructure in virtually all of Haiti exists on donations, so it's marginal at best. And it's bad enough right now dealing with the crush injuries and the actual physical trauma, but as we get further down the road, we worry about sanitation problems and bad water, and I can guarantee you that the price of food is going to rise and the price of fuel oil is going to rise, and I know firsthand when those things become expensive, people, especially out in the countryside, they starve.
What do you think that the international community can do short term, but then long term?
I think that the city just has to be bulldozed. I just don't see, I mean, obviously there's no rebuilding a building that is completely collapsed, and so the international community, I would hope, they'll come down and they'll help clean up a lot of that stuff, and then I'm hoping that they'll help them rebuild the city along something of a logical plan and help them establish an emergency services protocol and those types of things. I think that's going to be key. Now, again, you could, and I'm sure that some Americans and citizens of other countries are going to say, well, these people got themselves into this mess. I mean, where does our responsibility end? And that's a valid question. I mean, it's going to be incredibly expensive to literally rebuild a country. But I don't. I'm hoping that if we can get enough, that this will bring enough attention to the plight of Haiti, that the international community will rally and will, provide some significant, some substantive, and some ongoing help. It's just so tragic, and I'm hoping that we can do something to help them.
McAllister was scheduled to leave for his next trip to Haiti in March, but said he's currently looking at rescheduling it for sooner. For Discovery News, I'm Jorge Ribas.